Hello friends, I'm glad to welcome you to our channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can find your Twitter username and password if you forgot them. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write comments, and let's get to today's topic. So, if you've forgotten your password or username for app X, I'm going to show you two methods to find it. And the first one is to go to Google. Then in the top right corner, you'll need to click on your profile picture. So you click on your profile picture and then manage your Google account. Now at the top, scroll through the menu and find Security. In Security, scroll down to the bottom, where you can find the Password Manager. Click on it. And here at the bottom, you'll see all the apps and the passwords saved to them. You'll just need to find Twitter. I don't have it here, so I'm going to show you, using Instagram as an example, how to do this. So you found Twitter, click on it. I've got protection here through Face ID. If you also have it, go through it. And after that, you'll see a page like this, where you can see the username, also the password. The password, if you click on this eye sign right here, you'll be able to see it. You'll also be able to copy this data so you can paste it to log in to Twitter. And another method of how you can find this data is to go into your phone settings. Scroll down a little bit and go to the Passwords option. And here in the option Passwords also self, you'll be able to either find Twitter at the bottom, or you can type the word Twitter into the search box. And then once you find it, you'll also see a username and password. You'll be able to copy those details by clicking on them, by selecting Copy, and then you can paste it into the Twitter login bar. Friends, these are the two ways you can find your Twitter username and password if you have forgotten them. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please give us your likes, comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.